The phrase pros and cons refers to the advantages and disadvantages of a particular decision, idea, or situation. It is commonly used when people are trying to evaluate options carefully before making a choice. By considering both the positive aspects and the negative aspects, individuals can develop a more balanced and informed perspective. The phrase itself is simple, but it represents a structured way of thinking that encourages critical analysis and thoughtful judgment. The origin of pros and cons can be traced back to Latin. The word pro means for or in favor of, while con comes from contra, meaning against. These terms were historically used in debates and formal arguments to present both sides of an issue. Over time, they became part of everyday language, reflecting the importance of examining multiple viewpoints before reaching a conclusion. This linguistic background highlights how the concept has long been associated with rational thinking and discussion. In everyday life, weighing pros and cons is a common practice. People use it when deciding on major life choices such as selecting a career, moving to a new place, or making financial investments. It can also be applied to smaller, routine decisions, such as choosing between products or planning daily activities. By listing advantages and disadvantages, individuals can visualize their options more clearly and reduce uncertainty. This method often helps prevent impulsive decisions and promotes more deliberate action. In professional and organizational contexts, analyzing pros and cons is an essential part of decision-making. Businesses often rely on this approach when evaluating strategies, launching new products, or managing risks. Teams may hold discussions where each member contributes different perspectives, ensuring that both opportunities and potential challenges are considered. This process not only improves the quality of decisions, but also fosters collaboration and shared understanding within the group. Psychologically, the act of considering pros and cons can enhance confidence in decision-making. When individuals take the time to evaluate both sides, they are less likely to experience regret or doubt afterward. However, there is also a potential downside. Overanalyzing can lead to indecision, sometimes referred to as analysis paralysis. In such cases, people may become so focused on weighing every possible factor that they struggle to make a final choice. Finding a balance between careful evaluation and timely action is therefore important. Culturally, the emphasis on evaluating pros and cons reflects broader values related to logic, fairness, and open-mindedness. In many societies, considering multiple perspectives is seen as a sign of intelligence and maturity. However, cultural differences may influence how decisions are made. Some cultures place greater emphasis on intuition, tradition, or collective input, rather than systematic analysis. Even so, the underlying idea of understanding both benefits and drawbacks remains widely relevant. In conclusion, pros and cons is a practical and enduring concept that helps individuals and organizations make more informed decisions. By examining both advantages and disadvantages, people can approach choices with greater clarity and confidence. While it is important to avoid overthinking, the process of weighing pros and cons provides a valuable framework for balanced judgment and thoughtful action in a wide range of situations.